Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to draw and color an umbrella. First, we are going to start by making a half circle. For half circle, we can take any bangle and draw. Like this. From one side, we will make 3 bumps like this. 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to draw a small triangle right on the middle top of the half circle like this. Now we are going to draw curved lines from the mid of the triangle to the points of the bumpy lines. From top to bottom like this. Again, one more line from top to bottom like this. Now we will draw a big J in the middle for making the handle of the umbrella. Let's draw it. From top to bottom like this. Draw a little square for the button like this. Now let's draw some circles here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our umbrella is ready. Now let's color the umbrella. We will make the outline first with black color. Fill in with your favorite color. Let's start coloring with red. Start from the edges and fill in color like this. Now we will take the color yellow and start coloring the next section. Now we will take the color green and fill the another section. Make sure the color doesn't smudge on the line. Be careful while coloring. Now let's color the handle with brown. Let's color this square button, this triangle and these circles with blue. Yes, our umbrella is ready.